see the next problem here. What they have given: if a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, find a square plus b square plus c square. Here we know that in this exercise we are going to solve every problem with the help of the identities. So here what they have given a plus b plus c and they have given ab plus bc plus ca, and you need to find here a square plus b square plus c square. Now you have to think in which identity you have all these values. So clearly you can observe that in the identity which is known, you know that in the identity a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? In the last three terms you can observe that 2 is there common. So you can 2 is there, so you can take here 2 common. So if you take 2 common, what will be left out here? A square plus b square plus c square. If you take 2 here common, what is left out here, which is ab plus in this here which is bc and here which is ca. Now if you see the question, you have here, you know the value of a plus b plus c, which is 9. Here I am writing here a plus b plus c whole square. If you see here, you know here the value of a plus b plus c, and similarly here you know the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Now you need to find this value. If you substitute in this formula these values, you can find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So by seeing the question, you have to think which identity we need to apply so that you can find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So by seeing this identity, you can observe that all the values are given. So substitute here. So what is the value of a plus b plus c, which is 9? So you will get here 9 square is equal to, you need to find here a square plus b square plus c square. What is the value of ab plus bc plus ca, which is nothing but 26. So write it here 26. Now here what you get, what is the value of 9 square? 9 into 9, which gives you here 81, is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus, you need to multiply here 2 with 26. So what you will get here, 6 2s are 12, right? 2 2s are 4 plus 1, which is 52. So here since we need to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, let us take this 52 to the other side. Since here it is positive, if you take to the other side it will become negative. So you will get here a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 81 minus 52. What is the value of 81 minus 52? Which is nothing but 29. Right? So what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square? Which is 29. Again, what is the problem they have given? They have given the length of a plus b plus c and ab plus bc plus ca. Now you need to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Now you have to think which identity you need to apply such that all these values should be existing. Here clearly in this identity all these values lies here. So after applying this identity and after substitution, we have find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which is 29. Now see the next problem. Here evaluate the following using suitable identities. So here in this question you need to find the value of the given values, so that you need to apply the identities without using the normal multiplication. So here in the 7th question, the first one they have given as 99 whole cube. You need to find the value of 99 whole cube without doing the normal multiplication. You need to apply the identity. So here what is the power here? 3. So we have to apply either a minus b whole cube or a plus b whole cube. So 99, how you can write, you need to think here. So you can clearly you can observe that 99 you can write it as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Now we have written this 99 as 100 minus 1, so that we have changed this one into the form of a minus b whole cube. Now write what is the formula for a minus b whole cube. You know that it is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube. Now expand this one by applying that identity. So here write it what is the value of a here, which is 100, and what is the value of b, which is 1. Now substitute in that, which is nothing but a cube, which is 100 cube minus 3a square b. 3 into what is the value of a, which is 100 square into b, right? 3a square b. 3 into a square is nothing but 100 square into b is nothing but 1. And after that, what is the next term, which is 3ab square. That means 3 into a. What is the value of a, which is 100, and what is the value of b, which is 1 square, right? 3ab square. 3 into a is 100 and b is 1 whole square. Now what is the last term, which is nothing but b cube. What is the value of b here? 1. So you need to write it here 1b. Now solve this one. So what is the value of 100 into 100 cube is nothing but you need to multiply 100 3 times. So here there are 2 zeros. If you are multiplying 100 with 3 times, how many zeros you will get? You will get 6 zeros, right? So write it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here how much you got? You got it here 10 lakhs. So here after that minus 3 into 100 square. What is the value of 100 square? 100 into 100. So 3 into 100 into 100. Write it here 3 into 100. How many times you need to multiply? 2 times. So write it here 3 into 100 into 100 into 1 is nothing but there is no need to write. So here plus 3 into 100, which is nothing but 300 into 1, which gives you again 300 minus what is the value of 1 cube, which is nothing but 1. Now here solve this one, which is 10 lakhs minus 3 into how many zeros are there? Total 4 zeros are there. So write it here 4 zeros, which is nothing but 30,000 plus 300 minus 1. Now how do you solve? Just subtract 10 lakhs from 30,000. So what you will get after subtracting? Just you will get here. Just I am subtracting here 30,000. So after subtracting, what you will get here? 0, 0, 0, here 0, and here 10 minus 3, which gives you 7, and here 9 is there. That means you are getting here 9,70,000. So after subtracting from 30,000, we got it here 9,70,000, and what is left out here? Plus 300 minus 1. Now here 9,70,000 plus 300, which gives you 9,70,300, and minus 1. So here what you got it here? 9,70,300 minus 1. What is the value of 300 minus 1, which gives you 299? So write it here 9,70,299. Like that you need to solve. So by seeing the question, you need to come to know which identity you need to apply, so that you can change that one into that form, so that you can apply that identity. Now here see the next question. Which is 102 whole cube. Again you need to write in the form of, since the power is 3, you can write in the form of a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Based on the question, let us write it here. You can write this one as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So here write it as 100 plus 2 whole cube. So we have changed this one into the form of a plus b whole cube. Now write what is the formula for a plus b whole cube, which is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Just expand this one by applying this identity. So here what is the value of a in this case, which is 100, and what is the value of b, which is 2. Just substitute in that. What you get here? A cube, which is nothing but 100 cube plus 3a square b. 3 into 100 square. What is the value of b here? Which is 2 plus 3ab square plus 3 into what is the value of a, which is 100, and what is the value of b, which is 2. For 2 you need to keep the square, which is nothing but 3ab square plus b cube. What is the value of b here, which is 2 cube? Right? We have expanded. Now you can solve this one. So how do you solve? Just you need to multiply 100 3 times. So what you will get? 10 lakhs, which is nothing but 6 zeros you will get, right? And after that here plus 100 into 100 into 3. So here 3 into how many times you need to multiply 100? 2 times into 2. What is there here? Into 2. Plus here again expand 3 into 100 into what is the value of 2 square? 2 into 4, which gives you 4. And after that what is the value of 2 cube? 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now here just add these values, which is 10 lakhs plus, now multiply here 3 into 2. What is the value of 3 into 2, which is 6? 6 into 1, which is 6. Now how many zeros are there here? Counted 4 zeros, so write it here 4 zeros. Right? And after that plus, what is the value of 3 into 4, which is 12. 12 into 100, which is 1200 plus 8. Just you need to add all these values. So after adding all these values, what you will get here? Write it. So 10 lakh 60,000 61,208. Right? By adding all these values, what you will get here? Just write it. Just check it here. 10 is there. Here 60,000 is there. So here you will get. So here 61,208. So like this you need to solve the question. In this question 2 more problems are there that you can do it as a homework. Now see the next question. So in exercise 2.5, in the 7th question you can do the 3rd one and 4th one as a homework. So what is the 3rd question given here? 998 whole cube. So you can write this one as 1000 minus 2 whole cube and again expand it, which is in the form of a minus b whole cube. And similarly the 4th one 1001, you can write this one as 1000 plus 1 whole cube and it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. You can expand that one. Now see the 8th question. Factorize each of the following. Again, you need to write this one as a product of the linear polynomials. So here in that the first one they have given as 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This one you need to factorize this one. So here how to factorize? Just you need to write this one as a product of the linear polynomials. Before writing that one, you need to apply the identity. So again by seeing the question itself, you have to come to know which identity you need to apply here. So just by guess, you will come to know it is in the form of some a cube plus b cube plus some a square b plus ab square. So you can write this one or you can change this one in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Like that you can change it. So how do you change that one? Let us see here. After changing that one, you can come to know it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So what is the first step? You need to observe what is the given question. By seeing the question itself, you have to come to know which identity you need to apply. Here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Like that you need to change it here. So here 8a whole cube is there. So 8, how you can write 8 as some cube? You know that 2 into 2 into 2 which gives you 8. So you can write this one as 2a whole cube. Because you know that 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 which is 8 cube. So this one you can write it as b cube. Here what is the identity we want to change here? We need to change in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Why? Because you know that the formula for this one is a plus b whole cube. That's why we need to change here this one into the form of that one. Now here you can come to know the value of A and the value of B. So if you compare these two values, you will come to know here what is A here in this place, which is 2A, and what is the value of B here, which is nothing but B. So in place of A, substitute 2A, and in place of B, substitute B. So write it here. You know the value of this one is A cube plus B cube. What is the next term? Which is nothing but 3A square B. So write it here, plus 3 into what is the value of A, which is nothing but 2A. So you can write it here, 2A whole square into what is the value of B, which is nothing but B. So write it here B. And see what is the next term, which is nothing but 3AB square. So write it here, 3 into what is the value of A, which is 2A, and what is the value of B again here, which is B. So you will get here B square. Now we have changed this one into this expression. Let us check we got the same value or not. So here let us see here what is the value of 2 square, which is nothing but 4. 4 into 3, which is 12. So here we got the same thing, and A square into B. Now check whether these two are equal or not. What is the value of 3 into 2, which is 6. A is there and B square is there. So we have changed this expression into the form of this expression, because here in the question they asked to factorize this polynomial by using the identities itself. So first you need to check which identity you need to apply, so that you can change that into the form of that identity. So it is in the form of what? A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So what is the formula for this one, which is A plus B whole cube? Now in the place of A, what is there, which is 2A, and in the place of B, B is there. So this one you can write like this one. Since they asked to write the factorization, let us write this one as a product of 3 terms, since the power is 3. So you can write this one as 2A plus B into 2A plus B into 2A plus B. So we have factorized this polynomial as a product of the 3 linear polynomials, because here the power is 3. We have written in the form of 3 linear polynomials. In this, the second problem is your homework. In the next session, we are going to solve the remaining problems in this exercise. From this session is complete.